Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is National Waffle Day, and what better way to celebrate than taking a little inspiration from my recent trip to Europe, where I had some of the best waffles in my entire life, Belgian waffles. While I was in Belgium, I couldn't resist trying their famous waffles. I stopped by this cozy little shop. The aroma of caramelized sugar filled the air as the waffles were made fresh right in front of me. They were warm, crispy, and smothered with Nutella. It was absolutely amazing. I highly recommend it, but also get the plain just so you can taste the natural flavors of it. Now here's some local insight. The shop owner told me that only tourists actually eat Belgian waffles. Locals, not so much, but hey, when in Belgium, right? Plus I did spot a few people enjoying them while walking down the street, so I knew I had to try one. And let me tell you, it was the perfect grab-and-go snack in between sightseeing and museum visits. Now let's take a look at some tasty, fun facts. In 1911, the first electric waffle iron was introduced by General Electric. In 1953, Eggo frozen waffles are sold in supermarkets for the first time. And in 1964, Belgian waffles debut at the New York's World's Fair. So on this National Waffle Day, why not treat yourself to a delicious waffle? Whether you make them at home or find a local great spot, it's the perfect way to celebrate. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more foodie adventures. Happy National Waffle Day, everyone. See you in the next video.